Hello traders, welcome to the new summary of the day video. I took today two trades, one buy and one sell, and I want to explain, of course, why I took these positions and what happened. And today with a bit bigger focus on the volume, not only price action. At first, what I found, I was focused on this beautiful leg out. Very clean candle, and somehow this zone, this supply here, yes, I'm drawing this with the last push to the upside, not only the indecision as on the higher time frame. This zone here was the manipulation move, looks like small compression, but this supply hold it. Yes, here price rejected and really started going down, making lower highs. Also here what was important, the equal highs touching the supply. This is all perfection to the wick. This is, I love this precision, guys, on charts. Everything is for some reason. So if I have here supply zone, equal highs, it were high chances that price want to go here. Because here could be liquidity and probably still some bigger pending order which want to be taken or filled. So this price action didn't mean only that really this is weakening the supply. In this case, the equal highs were very interesting for me, and I was waiting for what can happen earlier, the safe sell or safe buy. But I found two setups, one by one, so I took both. This week I have more energy for trading than last week. Last week was very bad for me. I finished it with greed, with dangerous trades. But Monday to Wednesday I wasn't very happy. So today I feel more confidence, and this was very good setup for me. Also, look guys, this matched perfectly the supply with the M15 supply. So I wasn't scared. So what happened here? It was before the London session. Price started here dropping. Here are equal lows. Yes, equal lows. Price start trying to reject it from here, and then big liquidity grab. And this is what I mentioned last time on the announcement channel on Discord, that I like. As confirmation for me that this is the liquidity grab, is the high volume and price is coming back. Look guys, this volume here, how big spike was that? The absorption appeared, big coming back, and now I'm switching to the Discord. Look guys, here, this is the from 12 August, so from few days ago. Equal highs, here was the supply. Equal highs on Asian session, price was going down, made equal lows, and liquidity grab with high volume bars to make a fresh high. This is from 4 days before, and now I'm switching to today. Isn't the same? Equal highs on supply, on Asian session prices going down, making equal lows, liquidity grab with high volume when prices going back to make a fresh high. Those two pictures are almost same. This is the repeatable moves, guys. Perfect. So in this case I was really looking for a buy position, because this setup came earlier. It was really nice distance when I realized that something is going on. It was like 20 pips, over 20 pips to the supply. So I found here big chances to really join this manipulation. The price can probably go up. I missed the entry here. Few of you sent me private message about if this entry was good. Someone even joined here. I'm also sometimes taking the very aggressive entries, but here was the perfection. Look guys, here on the measurement, yes, this one candle is breaking this supply here. Yeah, here we have supply, and this one is making break of structure. And also this break of structure is with, look guys, this bar what a spike with volume. Incredible big spike from nowhere. So this was the big power, the balloon was broken, was big boom, and price broke supply. So high volume on supply is breaking the structure. As we mentioned on the first webinar, yes, the high volume in zone is big chances that the zone will be appeared. This can be matter of time. In this case, just one candle. And what happened later? Extremely high volume, and look guys, all those candles later perfectly decreasing volume. It was 300 and entry candle could be 50 or 60, so 5 times lower volume. Yeah, perfect. But I would wait for the touch with 50%. So this one bearish candle had volume 50, yes, 6 times less than the measured candle, which caused the break of structure. Textbook setup. For example, Marcus sent me this with the question if this was good. Yes, perfect one. I just missed this. And later I found even with lower risk setup, when this candle appeared, I found here big imbalance. It was breaking this resistance. I'm gonna draw this. Oh yeah, here we had resistance, small manipulation move to begin the sell. Yes, but this was very small sell. I wouldn't be so focused on this one. So this one candle was also breaking the structure. It had not so big volume, 116, but my entry was here when the volume were 2 bars were same 50. Yeah, so it was 2 times lower, as I mentioned. Yeah, this is my rule: 2 times lower volume on entry than the measured candle. And the aiming to the equal highs from here, yes, to the supply, back to the supply. And with my late entry, it was 15 pips. So it was trade 1 to the 5. Anything dangerous. Price even made on the way 3 demand zones. Here was the first, here was the second, and here even the last push, the third demand. So when price is going up, making demands which are holding the price, it only means how strong the buyers were here, how they really wanted to push the price up. So it was the first trade, safe for me. Here, I told you last time, I hope that really you are hearing me or listening to me, that I like when the price, when the taking liquidity is with the candle, not just a week, if we are talking about the 1 minute time frame. Here wasn't this so perfect, yes. I see here only wicks, so still the liquidity wasn't taken, and it appeared here. Very shy move. Both candles are same, so as we know, connecting these candles is like one candle with the wick to the upside, because both didn't make any change on the price. And this was for me the liquidity grab, very small. Maybe the reason was that the supply was really weak after the 5 minute penetration. I don't know, deep invader. Sorry for maybe bad comparison, but maybe this move made weaker the supply. And yeah, I was looking for a sell. I found this really safe, because here the last push, the last demand was broken by this bearish candle. Very clean break. This is my break of structure. Let's see, the volume was very small, very small one, 18 volume. But here, when price was ranging, the volume was decreasing, and when appeared just the volume one contract was taken here, I thought, yes, the price really don't want to go up. These rejection weeks were confirmation for me. Look guys, even the setup was here possible with like maybe 2 pips stop loss, but I'm setting always 3. on this trade, I didn't like when price made here equal highs and lows, because this is always dangerous. The ranging market, as we had on the last webinar on Friday, this is always for something. I was aiming really lower to here. I wanted to see some reaction when the big spike appeared, so really the lower area. But I found the safe TP as here. Yes, the first really good looking demand zone. I'm zooming this in. Yes, I drew the demand here. So with the week to the week, whole area with buyers and sellers. Look guys, the area with delta here is the potential that could be still some negative orders. Negative order mean trapped sellers. Yes, here the red delta means that in this period of time there were more sellers than buyers on the market. Sellers tried to push the price down. They didn't want to break the structure. But the second option, which I more like to trust, is that this was the hedge fund, hedge transaction, to sacrifice the sell, to manipulate the guys, even by the small wick to the upside, and push the price up for the true buy. So I thought that at the moment when price is still ranging here, that this is the safe area to close the transaction. And it was 12 pips. 12 pips is with my 3 pips stop loss 1 to the 4. So first buy was 1 to the 5, second sell 1 to the 4. So I was very happy with my results, 1 to the 9 in just 2 trades before afternoon. So everything is possible. I just want to say a few words about next setup because it was very tricky. Look guys what happened. Here looks like equal lows above the demand zone, right? So could be like liquidity area, and then appeared the push to the downside, but the volume was going down. So here this fresh high wasn't super extra confirmation that this whole action here was a liquidity grab. Yeah, here the volume was extremely high on the situation the last time. Here the volume was also very extremely high. And here I found that even on bottom the volume was very low. When price was sitting on this demand, the volume decreased. The second sign to not touch the buying here was if I would draw this one like a break of structure, I would be probably interested on this one candle, yes. But if price made this and started to go down with decreasing volume, yes, just above the 50, we should see what happened here. Equal highs. Yes, these equal highs were very close to our buy entry. So this could be the invitation only to be trapped. Yes, because if you would take the buy, he was the first safe take profit level, the equal highs, because no one know what price want to do after. So it was very tricky, yes. So low volume in here, decreasing volume on this demand, and equal highs appeared here. Very tricky price action. Really looks like the textbook setup, but was dangerous. I hope that not a lot of you were trapped here, but big congratulations, guys, because I found one more day, yes, when I found few of you, which were taking same trades as me or very similar. A lot of you took here from bottom or from this area. So you took better price on this buy than me. Also, once again, I like to be later than you with worse price. But these are catching the same wave. I'm really proud of you guys. And also here, I like really the setup. Maybe this liquidity wasn't so good, so big, but it is still the one candle, not wicks like here, but full candle appeared as a liquidity grab. So when I'm just going few months back, 2, 3, 4 months, when we were as a GU scalpers, the previous community, only sometimes I found on chat that you are taking maybe similar trade to me. Now, every day there are same trades or very similar. So this is, guys, progress. I love to see this. This means also a lot to me. When you are sharing something, you are active, and I see, damn, this guy joined, for example, one candle later, one candle before, or even with better price. As I said, most of you have better price than me, but this is beautiful. This means that you are catching this knowledge, that something is clicking in your mind, and you see same things as I see. I'm really proud of you, and I want to see even more setups like this. Great, guys, really great. Thank you very much for these shares, and keep going. We'll crash the market one day. Whole group will be a very good traders. Thank you, and see you tomorrow, guys.